Now, how do you get realistic 3D images or 3D assets like this into PowerPoint? This is how you go about it. Step 1, come to this website called quixel.com/bridge. That is the Quixel bridge. It's a free assets tool. Step 2, install it. You download and install into your system. Step 3, you get to register and sign up, and this is all yours. So you could select any 3D assets from, let's pick up this banana, right? Let's pick up the banana. You click on download and you come here. Now you would have selected your export settings, so I'm exporting to Blender, right? So definitely you would have downloaded Blender into your system, right? And go back to your Quixel bridge and click export. Once you're done, you come to Blender. It's there, right? This is your 3D asset. Now you want it on PowerPoint. All you simply do is go to file, export, and GLTF file, right? You come here, select the first one there and click export. Change your file name, type in your file name, banana. Select your download option and export. You open on PowerPoint, you come to insert 3D from device. There's your banana. Voila, it's on PowerPoint, so you can use it for your 3D presentation and all that.